case you didn't know, I work here at the racetrack. Rockstars has had a bad reputation. We know this. Through a lot of hard work from a lot of people in this room, we put on this event. We're really excited about what the future of doing racing like this at this racetrack is around. For anyone who's not been here in 5 or 6 years, obviously the facility's changed a little bit. We're trying to grow with the racing that goes on around us. You being here and supporting this event, telling us the things that you like and the things you don't like is going to allow this event to grow and allow for more of these events to happen. We like to get into doing no prep races. We like to get into doing radio prep racing. We like to get into all of that. But it takes the support of every single one of you that are here. We thank you for that. It's because of you people who are in this room and you badass racers that we're able to look into doing stuff like this. So first of all, round of applause, thanking every single one of you. You're the ones that have the driver's seat, literally, on what's going on in that racetrack. If we can have constructive conversation and learn what you're looking for, we can all grow together. With that in mind, we're going to go with the chip draw. How many small tires? Okay, so yeah. Put your hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and into the road.
Yeah, baby, let's go. That was a freaking good run. Woo! Man, he was right there. Let's go! First round eliminations at this Rockstars race at Rock Falls went really good. R1 A to B, didn't feel like it shook or checked the tire at all. And we made a great hit, got the wind light turned on in our lane. We raced Nathan Shaw. He's got a super bad to the bone drag and drive car. That thing is super fast, and it's super cool that he can drive it and stuff like that. It's a really cool combo that he's got there. So it was a big race to win, and I'm glad that we got the wind light on. I'm not sure who we got next round, but we just got to keep doing our thing and make A to B passes, and hopefully we can go a couple more rounds and try to win this thing here. So it's a beautiful day in Wisconsin, and a good turnout for the first event we have here. So thank you all of you guys that put this on, all the track promoters and stuff. It's this facility is awesome, and how much work and time and effort, money that they've put into it, it definitely shows. So it's a great place to be, and we can turn on some more wind lights. So stay tuned for the next one.
It makes more sense for you to get.
Let's go! We're in the finals, baby! Let's go! Well, second round at this Rockstars race went awesome again. Car went A to B, made a great lick. We raced Brian Gadecki in the Little Pickle, and you've seen us race him multiple times with the old man's car, the white fat stacks. I've raced him once or twice in this thing, and it's a super consistent, fast car. Unfortunately, he was having a couple tranny problems this weekend, so he's not up to his full potential that he possibly could have, which is kind of a lucky break for us a little bit, but he's always super fast, great racer. He's definitely a big win for us this weekend. So we got the first two rounds. Now we got Kyle Wayne. He actually bought a brand new car. It was called the Landlord, and I had never raced against him when the last owners had it, but hopefully we can get a little lucky and try to turn on this final wind light and get the W here. But stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next one.
All right, you're on.
Alright, be safe, you guys. You got this in the bag, dude.
Yeah.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Bummer. What a race. Good race. What an awesome day for the first annual Rockstars event out at Rock Falls Raceway. We just ran Kyle Wayne in his new Camaro that's super bad to the bone, and he made a great lick. Orange car made an okay lick. We were on the traction control a little bit on the high gear, but we kind of had a swing for the fences a little bit because he was running a lot faster than we were all day long. But I mean, it was a beautiful day. Rock Falls facility is awesome. Cars were awesome. Everything was just super awesome today, and just another great day and weekend to build memories with friends, family, and everything else. And it was just a great event. So unfortunately, we've run it up again for the second weekend in a row, but you know, that's part of it. And all, it was awesome. This little AO car, it does unbelievable for what it is, and it's just so much fun to drive and wheel behind this thing, and just wouldn't trade any of these race days or weekends for anything else. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're off for a couple weeks now. I believe the next event that we're planning on going to is the 4th of July at Brainerd, and I'm actually staying that whole week out there because that following weekend after that we got a new streetcar takeover event that's going down. Yeah, couple fun more weekends planned up ahead of us. So super stoked. Everything seems all right with AO. We're gonna go back, drain the methanol and oil, and she's probably gonna sit for another month. But thanks you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.
Here we are with Cole Carpenter. I want to give you a hearty handshake and congratulations. Runner-up in today's small tire class. Car was very bracket-like, 470s most all day, and very consistent driving, and just fell a little short basically on power in the end. Mr. Wayne had a little too much, but otherwise, like I say, the car is phenomenal. I like orange. This car is great. You drove very well. How long have you been driving this thing?
I want to say this is my 4th year driving it. I started off in another Mustang street car style when I was in high school and redid that whole thing, and then this thing popped up and we basically sold that car for this thing and redid a bunch of stuff on it. And yeah, I think this is my 4th year driving it now. So it's come a long way from where we started, and it's just super awesome to enjoy ride.
Terrific. How long has your family been doing this?
Oh man, my dad's been doing this for 30 plus years. He used to travel the country all over the place. I mean, he's been through thick and thin and everything. So, I mean, he's been doing it forever. He's kind of grandfathered me into it, and I'm right there with him. It's just super fun.
No, that is fantastic, and I brought that up because I know Brian Carpenter's name. Even in the circuit that I'm in, very famous for what he's been doing, like you said, for decades. Very fast, very competitive across the nation, and it's nice to see that trickle down. And here you are carrying on the family name and getting into the finals, and it's just terrific. So, other people you want to thank, or anything special that happened today you want to share?
I mean, obviously, Mom, Dad, couldn't do it without you guys. Gabby, she's been to every single race that ever since we've been together, so couldn't do it without her. I mean, Rob, Lynn, Jake, family, friends. I mean, just everybody. It's just awesome.
It is great to get to share these moments with friends and family. Being in the winner's circle, like I say, it came up a little short, but not for lack of trying, that's for darn sure. So congratulations to the whole Carpenter Racing crew. And again, congratulations on your runner-up in small tire. You got any last words? This is the time to say it's World Wide Web. I mean, you're covered here.
That's awesome. Well, I mean, yeah, I'll thank Rock Falls Raceway. I mean, we came here with that Saline Mustang a couple years ago, and you guys have put so much work, time, money, and effort into this track. It's just such an awesome facility. Like, everything's clean, concession stands, track was awesome. I mean, just the whole 9 yards. So couldn't thank any of you guys enough. And Kyle Wayne and all those guys that put on this race, it was a great event, and hopefully it continues to grow and can be something that we do for years. So thank you.
Terrific. We appreciate the kind words.
Absolutely. Thanks, man.
We look forward to next time we're doing this.
For sure.
Very good. Picture time.